Meta just released a new update, Meta Horizon 2.4. Let's check it out. First of all, do you remember where was the settings? It was here, right? Well, when I started, I had a little bit of confusion because I was going here, but they move it here. So first change, they move where the settings are. This is quite interesting because that's one of the most important parts in VR, and they keep moving that, so people are getting confused where to look. But yeah, apart from that, let's move to the next step. In the official release note, they mention updates to the Navigator. You can rearrange your apps to put your favorite first. That's the pin feature. Now, this was already available, and I don't think this changed that much. So if you press this button over here, pointing on one application, you have a menu. You can pin it. So basically, you put it in at the beginning of this list. So you don't have to scroll down that much. You will always have it among the first application that you see. And you can also unpin it, doing the same here, unpin. So this was already available. So I don't think there's anything new over here. Now, let's go to the next one, App Crash Recovery. This is not easy to replicate. Basically, they give you a better user experience in case you have an app that crashes. But let's move to the next one, which is the big deal. For some reasons, this section changed. So before updating to 2.4, I had the hand tracking enabled, and now this is reset. So I have to enable it again.
There are two ways to use your headset, with controllers or just your hands. Let's practice using a menu with your hands.
Okay, I can see a menu.
Now open the universal menu so you can practice on it. Bring your right palm to face you at eye level. Then pinch your index finger and thumb together.
Okay. So you have to pinch like this. Not the same here.
Nicely done. That's how you'll open your universal menu whenever you need it. This is you can reach out to tap and swipe on it directly.
Okay.
That's how you do things like browsing and selecting apps. Give it a try.
I mean,
Perfect. You can also use your hands to move the universal menu. Try getting it as far away from you as you can. Pinch. That pinch to hold gesture is how you'll grab onto objects and move them around. When your universal menu is too far to tap directly, you can pinch to select and scroll instead. To try it, use your hand to aim the cursor, pinch quickly to select, or pinch and hold to scroll.
So they basically changed this to make a better user experience.
Nicely done. Now you know some of the powerful things your hands can do.
All right.
Whenever you want to use your controllers again, just pick them up.
Let's see if everything is the same. I will enable this one because it's very practical. So just to recap, if you press this menu, it will appear the loft and you can change the background. And you can add also objects. And okay, let's close here. And if you press here, you will have basically the menu with the library and settings and so on. All right, let's see if we forgot anything. These notes. You can point like you would do with the controllers. You can point here and you will be teleported here. Now, the part that was most exciting is actually hard to get. How to make appear the arc is something that really I didn't understand how to do. So if you managed to make it work, put it in the comments of this video. Let me know how you managed.